This is Chantal from Simply in Order Photo Organising. Good to have you here today. I was thinking on this very first Facebook Live I'm doing right now that I want to talk about something that is really close to my heart. And I'm just wondering, have you ever been worried about losing your digital photos? Or maybe you've already experienced a loss of photos. Maybe you've lost your phone or a hard drive got damaged and you couldn't retrieve your photos. In that case, you would know how devastating and upsetting and really stressful that is. So I would like to share with you the 3-2-1 backup method so that you will never lose photos again, or if you've been lucky enough not to lose them yet, you can apply this method to make sure that it stays that way and that you've got peace of mind knowing that all your photos are safe. So what is the 3-2-1 backup method? First of all, it's not me who's come up with that. It's not my invention. But in the industry, that's a standard that we all use. So it means that you should have 3 copies of a photo on 2 different media, and one of them should be kept offsite. So I'll give you a couple of examples how that could look like. So let's say you've got all your photos on your computer's hard drive. That's copy number 1, and the computer is your first media. Now you want to create a backup copy, for example, to an external hard drive. That will be your copy number 2 on media number 2. What we haven't covered yet now is that this copy is still not offsite. So for the third copy, what you can do, one option is to get a second external hard drive, run another backup, and keep that hard drive away from home. Or, of course, you could use as an option a cloud backup. That would mean then you have the original on your hard drive, you have a backup copy on an external drive that you can keep at home, and you have 1 copy of your photo in the cloud. So this is a very simple example of a 3-2-1 backup method. As I said, we use that all over within the photo organizing industry. And I hope you find this helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or feedback, and I'll get back to you. I'll respond to that. And also please share this post with somebody or tag somebody that you think could benefit from the peace of mind that they will have knowing that everything is backed up, and it doesn't have to cost the world, and it doesn't have to be difficult. And again, if you have questions, let me know, please. See you next time. Bye.